Welcome to SlowTalk English, the podcast that helps you learn English through calm, clear, and meaningful listening. Today's episode is about one of the most ambitious goals in human history, Elon Musk's mission to colonize Mars. To many people, this sounds like science fiction. But Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX, has made it clear he wants to build a city on Mars. Not in 100 years, but possibly within our lifetime. Let's begin with the big question. Why Mars? According to Musk, Earth won't remain safe forever. Natural disasters, nuclear war, or even artificial intelligence could threaten humanity's survival. In his words, we need to become a multi-planetary species. Mars is our best option. It's close, it has water, and a day on Mars is about 24 hours. That makes it the most Earth-like planet we know. But getting to Mars is not just about rockets. It's about solving thousands of problems, technology, biology, psychology, and economics. Let's explore the plan. The heart of the mission is the Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft developed by SpaceX. It's designed to carry up to 100 passengers and over 100 tons of cargo. Starship is powered by Raptor engines and built with stainless steel. Unlike earlier rockets, it's made to be used again and again like an airplane. SpaceX has already tested Starship multiple times with successful launches and some dramatic explosions, but each test brings them closer to reliability. And reliability is key because a one-way trip to Mars takes about 6 to 9 months, and there's no room for error. The idea is simple. Send cargo first, then people. The first missions will bring equipment, solar panels, habitats, and robots. These machines will prepare the surface of Mars before humans arrive. A supply chain between Earth and Mars will be critical. Starship would launch from Earth, refuel in orbit, and make the journey carrying all necessary cargo. And when the first humans land, they'll face extreme challenges. The temperature on Mars is far below freezing. The atmosphere is thin and toxic. There's no food. And communication with Earth takes between 5 and 20 minutes, one way. This means that any emergency must be handled without immediate help from Earth, but Musk believes we can adapt. He imagines building glass domes, growing food with hydroponics, and using solar energy to power Martian settlements. He also plans to use the ice under the surface to create drinking water and even rocket fuel. The goal is to build a self-sustaining colony, one that does not rely on constant shipments from Earth. SpaceX is also researching how human bodies might adapt to low gravity. Mars has about 38% of Earth's gravity, and scientists are unsure how this will affect long-term health. There are concerns about bone density, muscle strength, and even reproduction in space. Of course, many scientists and engineers say this is unrealistic. They argue that Mars is too dangerous, too far, and too expensive. NASA, for example, is also planning a mission to Mars, but with a much slower timeline. NASA focuses more on robotic exploration and preparation before human travel. Others worry about ethical issues. Should we spend billions on Mars when people on Earth are suffering? What if we bring bacteria and destroy possible Martian life? Who owns Mars? These are serious questions. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967 says that no country can claim a planet, but private companies are now pushing into this legal gray zone. Despite the criticism, Elon Musk remains focused. His passion is not just about rockets, but about giving humanity a backup plan. He wants to inspire young people to think bigger. He often says, I want to die on Mars, just not on impact. He often compares the mission to the early explorers of Earth. Just like people once crossed oceans to find new lands, he believes we must now cross space. Not because it's easy, but because it's hard. Elon Musk is aiming to launch the first uncrewed mission to Mars in late 2026. This mission will test landing systems and deliver equipment. If that goes well, the first human mission could follow in 2028 or 2030, depending on progress with refueling technology and life support systems. While the original 2024 goal has been delayed, the long-term vision is still active and closer than ever. Let's end with a thought. Elon Musk is not just building rockets, he's building a future, one where human beings are no longer trapped on a single planet. Whether or not it works, the dream itself has already changed the way we see space, life, and possibility. So, will humans really live on Mars? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the journey has already begun. Thanks for listening. That was today's episode of SlowTalk English. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember, keep listening, keep growing,